Hey guys, so this is the last part of your module, and because we're not in school together, so I don't get to sit there and practice with you. I've put a couple different videos in here for you, a couple different practices, and then also I have in here for you this simulation, right? Just so that you can kind of play around. So the first thing you're gonna do is gonna go into the introduction, and there are three different things you can do. You can make ammonia, you can separate water, you can combust methane. Combust just means to make it explode. Um, so what we're going to do here is you're going to start off by just adding some of those things. So this is your chemical equation. Everything on the left-hand side, remember those are our reactants. Everything on the left are our reactants. Everything on the right is going to be your product. And then right here is your yield. That's where the chemical equation takes place. So law of conservation of mass, if you're going to have a balanced equation, you have to have the same number of atoms on both sides, the same amount of matter on both sides. So if I start here, oh, and I like this little tool up here. I can make it look like a balancing beam. Okay, so here I have N2, which is 2 atoms of nitrogen. So that's nitrogen. So that subscript right there, that means that those 2 nitrogens are bonded together. They count as 2. And then right here, you have some room for some coefficients. So you can see as I start piling on, you can see that there are 2, 4, 6, because I'm going to add 2 every time. So also what that tells you is you're always going to multiply your coefficient by your subscript, right? So clearly not balanced. I don't have any of those over here. So I'm going to clean this back up. Okay. Now, again, balancing equations is not necessary for 8th grade. Not a part in there of the standards. The part that you need to know for this is be able to recognize if an equation is balanced or not just by looking at it, right? So you make that little T-chart and you figure out how many you have of each, and that's what these little balance beams are going to help us do. So I have 2 nitrogens on this side. I don't have any over here. So if I just add 1, let's see here. Oh, there we go. No, I still don't have, wait, what is it doing? 2 nitrogens. 2 nitrogens. Wait, but I'm messing up on my hydrogens here, right? So let's come back. Let's lower this number of hydrogens and nitrogens. So I'm gonna put not enough. Now I have my nitrogens balanced. But looking over here, I have 6, 2 times 3 is 6 hydrogens. And I only have 2 over here. So what do I need? I need to add 2 more, and then add 2 more. Bing! This is a balanced chemical equation. So play around with this. Again, it's not necessary to know how to balance an equation, but you need to know if one is balanced, okay? Once you've gone through these things, playing around with that, go ahead and go back, hit the home button, and play the game. And as you're playing the game, level 1, let's see how I do. Oh, how embarrassing would that be for me if I got this terribly wrong? Okay, so I have CH3OH is going to yield CO plus OH2. Okay, so let's see how many here. So let's just make it, okay. So I have 1 over here, and I'm going to have 1 C over here, C1C. 1C. Okay, that checks out. Oh, but wait, now I have 3 hydrogens and 3 hydrogens. So I'm going to make my hydrogens go up over here. So I still only have 2. Oh, no, I'm supposed to have 3. 2, 4, 6. Okay, wait, here's the H. Oh, no. Okay, how many hydrogens do I have now? Oh, I'll let you figure it out. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and play this. Check your knowledge, test your knowledge. Try to play this Legends of Learning. That looks really, really cool, and I'm not sure if it's going to work yet. You guys are my guinea pigs. Hopefully it works for you. Anyways, once you're all done with this, let me move my face here. You're going to go ahead and hit that next button. And when you hit the next button, you're going to go ahead and take your last quiz for your chemistry module. It's 50 points. You can use your notes in your computer, whatever else you need to do. Bye, kids. Don't forget to go to office hours.